If you or somebody you know struggles with hearing, then you'll want to check out these really awesome hearing aids. These Ceretone hearing aids are really amazing. There's a spot for your left and your right hearing aid, and these offer 100 hours runtime. These hearing aids are also super comfortable. They're color-coded, left is blue, and right is red. They fit right inside your ear like so, and they're super comfortable even if you have ear piercings. These have 5 different modes. Just press and hold down this button on the side to adjust your mode along with adjusting your volume. These hearing aids not only help you to hear better, but they also help with tinnitus. These provide a very clear sound, making it really awesome to use when around friends and family along with colleagues. These come with different size ear tips. You have small, medium, and large. It also comes with a little brush to clean out those ear tips and a USB Type-C charging cord to charge your hearing aids. The light on the case will turn blue when charging. Once fully charged, it'll turn white. I can't express enough how comfortable these hearing aids are to wear and how well they work. I absolutely love them. They definitely help in my everyday life. Looking for some hearing aids for you or a loved one, I highly recommend checking out these Ceretone hearing aids.